Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex, and this is an educational series part 11, top to bottom analysis, and in that also this is the C. So already we completed A. In the part 11 I divided into A, B, C. So this is the C part. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. And this is I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from books, video clips and some personal experiences. Each time I'm in my every video I'm explaining and I'm informing the same thing. I may do some wrong things also in this. So because I'm not a robot and I'm also a human, my wave can't also be a wrong one, but just I'm explaining my view, that's it. So if anything it gets wrong, apologies for that. You have to fine tune yourself otherwise. So don't stick to this, and what I learned as per from my books, video clips and some personal experiences, I just sharing them. So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. And in that first video, the A, I just refer one book for the leading diagonal. If now it is happening like that, and I need to share here also. So in that, see here, this is the one what I had already to inform. This is the leading diagonal. It's a 3. Sorry, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, and this is the or an Elliott. It's a find this as a leading diagonal of A or 1. But lot of times it is a leading diagonal triangle, and this is a mention, the figure 1, 2, 1, right, shows a real example of a leading diagonal triangle. So this is leading diagonal and this is the leading diagonal triangle. So this pattern was not originally discovered by Warren Elliott, but has appeared enough times and over a long enough period that we are convinced of its validity. So as I read a book, so in that it's mentioned this is also a part of the leading diagonal triangle. So if it is comes in the 3-3 wave pattern, that is leading diagonal triangle in the starting of the wave A or 1. But if it is in 3-5, 3-5, 3-5, that is a leading diagonal. So I just cleared that wave, part A. In that top to bottom analysis, I searched this one for the referring to the Euro USD, right? So it's a clear. So now we will move on to that top to bottom analysis, and this is the USD Jpy. So I already did my analysis. I'm again going to delete all those things and I will explain how I analyzed this one. So here it's looking like a first thing we need to look for this is a downtrend. So still it is in downtrend and it is not yet going to be a bullish, or we can't say. So as of now, it's as per my Elliott wave. It's not my Elliott wave. As per my knowledge of the Elliott wave theory, here it looks like a 5-way structure. It's ended here. So that is 1 RA. Here it's also a 5-way structure. So that we can make it as a blue. And after that, this is a 3-way structure. So then it is a irregular flat formation for this here, this one, the red color, and after this is a 5-way structure here. So this is a B of this one. So this is a A, this is a B and C. So now we come to a conclusion, this is a A, this is a B. After that, it's in the downtrend. This is the wave 1 of C. This is a wave 2. So this is the wave 3. This is a wave 4 and this is a wave 5. So one downtrend, one A, B, C is got completed as of now, right? So let's move on to that next. So if it is one A, B, C is completed, if it isn't bullish, no need to break this low, right? Because this, if it is a B and C, it can go. Otherwise, if it is a 5-way structure, it can go about like this kind of 5-way structure. But it's already broken this low. So that means we come to a conclusion here is it's again we are in that downtrend. So in this we are searching, moving this. Okay, right, this is a A. So now it did the B. It's a three-way structure here. So how I did this in this we will little bit go deeply. It's not like the previous. This is a A, this is A, B and C, because this is the C of B and this is the C. So this is a flat correction. So this is a A and this is a B and C is got completed. So again this A, B, C, it's a intermediate wave A. So now this is a red. After this, looking for this as a very string, right? And it's already broken this high. So now this is also an irregular flat formation of B. After that, it's a C wave. So C also, it looks like, look at this, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So the C wave contains a 5-way structure, so it's got completed. So A, B, C is a B, C as a B, and C contains a 5-way structure. It's got completed. So now it's a and B is also completed. Now that C wave. So it's already broken the previous low. So now everybody is looking for, if it is an A, B and C, A, B, C as a B and C is also completed. Everybody looking for that uptrend. Whether this could be another, if it is a B, C also, because if it is a flat correction, it can go above this level also for the 80 to 90%. So everybody, that is why here it's a buying, it's a strength. So once the ABC is got completed, so that is why the formation is looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is an expanding leading diagonal. So later onwards, everybody is looking for the three-way structure to make at least here to break this high. But what happened? It's already broken this low. So that means still we are in the downtrend. So this is what my personal experience, I had a lot of things after the 5-way structure. If it is a still bearish until if it breaks the high, we no need to buy here in the 61.8, expecting this one, making this as a stop loss. It will hit your stop loss and again it may bounce. So now what it is doing here, right? So this is, so that C wave is split into 5-way structures, we come to know. But until this, we will do as a W, because suddenly if the A, B, C got a 5-way structures, it's looking like a 5-way structures. So this could be again W or wave 1. So if it is a W, again we will get a 3-way structures. Again there will be a 3-way structures to the downward to break this low as a Y wave. But if it is a C wave contains a 5-way structure, this is the wave 1, and here also it's shown that 5-way structure. So everybody is looking for, again it is nearly that 61.8, it failed. So what it happened here, again it break the low. So that means it is still doing a irregular flat formation here. So now it is an irregular flat formation, see here, and again it dropped, right? So this is a B, C. So this is A, this is the B and C. So for this A, this is the B and this is the C. Okay, I will come to this point again. Okay, this is the A. What we have to do is A, and here we need to make it this as a wave 1, because we conclude this was A, or sorry, this is a B, the C of wave 1 or W. So A is already got completed in the 5-way structure and it's already broken the low, means something it is making a irregular flat formation here. So this is a B and C. So for this A, this is the B and C. So now again, okay, we will make it this as a red color bracket, and this as a again A. So this as a B. So this as a B. So here it's a B, C in the irregular flat formation. It's already broken this low, and this is a running flat formation. So A, B and C. So this total A, this is the B and this is the C. So for here, if you applied for this 5-way structure, we are in that 1272 exactly for the irregular flat formation. So again, what we expect, this kind of 5-way structure has to come here, whether it is going to make a running flat, or if it is breaks the high, that could be an expanded flat. Okay, so next, this one is, now it's already broken the high, right? So it's already broken the high. So that is, now it's a expanded flat formation. So this one is wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3 here. So this is the wave 4, this is the wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to mark this as a wave 2, right? This is the wave 1. So this A, B, C is a wave 2. So nearly how long? It's nearly 88 to 2 years in that second wave. After that, right? See here, it's again a drop. So this one is also, it's looking like A. So this is A, B, C, D, E. So this is a triangle of B. So now again, because this is an ending diagonal pattern, right? So again, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C wave. So what is this? This is the end of the third wave. So after this, right? See, now A, B, C as 1, 2, A, B, C is a 3. Now we are in that fourth wave. So fourth wave is ended. See, once we come to a conclusion, so A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3. We are in the fourth wave. Fourth wave is also maybe an irregular flat or a triangle or anything. And the fifth wave is one more low is now ahead to break this low. So that means now we are in that fourth wave. Okay, now we go through this fourth wave. It looks like, look at this, it's a 5-way structure here, 1. So it looks like a second, third, fourth or fifth. So it looks like that. I'm not so sure about this here, because one second, I will show you here. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 1. This becomes a 2, means this is a. So this is a B and C. So we come to a conclusion, this could be a also. So now this is a, B, C is a B and C. So if we are going for this as a leading diagonal, wave 3 must be wave 5 is lower than the wave 3. The length of the wave 5 must within this wave 3 length below that. So this, the wave 5 is smaller than the wave 3, but here it is bigger than the wave 3. So that is not valid for that leading diagonal. So now this is A, B, C is a B, C is a B and C. So now we need to mark it this as again A. Okay, we will do it this one. So this is the third wave, what we already did. So now again, this is a B, C. So this is a B, and we are getting the 5-way structure here. So it's a C wave. So that is total, it's a W. It's a W. So we can make it this as a blue color. So this is a W, and this is a drop because of the news, fundamental news. So now this, we need to mark this as a X only. We are not getting any three-way structure, but because of this that news, we are marking this as a single drop. Also I marked this as a X wave. And one more, it's there, we can make it this, that also is possible. So the whole thing becomes a also. So now we can make it this as a three-way structure also. So then this deep could be a B also, but I'm not sticking to that. I am just sticking to this one, this kind of wave count only, because it's clearly seen 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is for the X wave. After the X wave, we need a and then B and then C for to complete the Y wave. Otherwise, this is the third wave. So there is a lot of chances for making a triangle for the Y wave in that fourth wave. So this is a B and C. So the whole thing becomes a A also. This could be a B. So C means, see what, it already broken that high. So now that is also got invalid. So for the triangle. So now this is a W, this is the X. So here we are saying that one impulsive wave from here. This is the third. This is the five-way structure here, right? Yes. So this is the wave 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the A wave. So according to this, it's already broken the high here with the, yeah, I already checked that. So this is the end of this five-way structure. I will check this also. Second. Yeah, it is smaller than that third wave, right? So this is acceptable for that leading diagonal of this could be a because this is the W and this is the X, A, and we are in the B wave. So B wave here also. See, coming to this, where we are in the bigger picture, we are in the wave 4. So wave 4, what it has to break? It has to break this 1.0383 has to break. So as of now, one ABC is completed, another ABC is the connecting waves already completed, one A also completed, B is also completed. I am looking for that C wave, and I already shared my view in that my profile. So you just go and then search for that in that positional trade, then you can got that idea. Now here this is looking like a three-way structure, and again it is looking like another three-way structure. Here also it's looking like a three-way structure. Again there is a three-way structure. Again there is a three-way structure. So this is all making a WXY pattern for the B. So here also one ABC is completed. So we can make it this as a W. Again ABC. So this is X wave. So again ABC, and it's already broken this low. So that means this is the end of the Y. And come to this part is a very, very critical, and I didn't see like this kind of triangle in my experiences. So if you check in this daily chart, here it's a three-way structure. So I will just remove this one. Okay, so here it's a triangle, and everybody looking for this, including myself. I'm looking for this kind of wave pattern. What it did, it break this previous low. So that means the whole thing becomes a X wave. So we need to mark this as a X wave. Yeah, in this X, and again this is the A, this is the B, and this is the whole thing is the C. We can do it, make it this as a C also, and then from here it's a 5-way structure. So here also Z. So this is W, X, Y, X, Z. So this is a triple correction. So for this, again I will explain this. For this whole B, for this B, I will do this. For this B, the B is split into the W, X, Y, Z formation. So each and every wave got a 3-3-way structure. So ABC is a W, and this X is a connecting wave, and one more ABC. So this is called as a double correction if it bounced from here. But again it failed to bounce from here and it's broke the low mains. This is again the connectivity for the triple correction. It's a ABC. So what kind of formation is this? See, here it's ABC is a is a flat correction, ABC is a B is a, so the whole thing is a flat, and here also it's a flat correction, and here also the connecting wave is a flat, and here this is also a flat correction. Then here it's a zigzag correction. So this is a 5, 3 and 5. So this is a triangle in the connecting wave part for this. So now I am looking for that C wave. So C wave contains of 5-way structure. Is the one already completed. We are on that second wave. In that intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, this is a wave 3, and I am looking for that 4 and one more 5 to break this high. So the target will achieve. So this means this A, this is the B and C. So this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C, and this is the end of the Y wave. So that means here is the end of this fourth red color. So I think you understand now. This is the top to bottom analysis in that. So if you zoom in weekly, daily, 4 hour and 1 hour and 15 minutes, you will get entry. I will look for the entry like this kind of zoom in pattern, but not in exit. Only I will enter in that. Sometimes I will enter in that position of two partial and 3 partial also. But I know, right? So sorry, it's not I know what I learned. I'm just explaining here. It's not a greedy word. So just I will analyze this like this only. I will doing the analysis and I will trading the pair like this kind of analysis only. I'm just keep on sharing everything to learn for yourself without knowing anything. The making the money in this financial market is a very tough, but the one thing is it's not impossible if you go deep in that. So my bias is it has to break this 1.0380, and once the 5-way structure is got completed, I am looking for that another A, B, C to break this low. That's it. So the 5 waves is already completed. So then this whole becomes A, B, C is an ending diagonal pattern. I'm looking for, and I'm looking for one more A, B and C. So A, B, C is got over. So what is meant by A, B, C? It's a flat correction. It is doing, right? So one more A, B, C. Otherwise, if it is a zigzag pattern, because here it is A, B, C is a A, right? So it's already did an thing, and another it never went for this 3, 5 like that kind of 78.6 to 90% also. So here it's a zigzag, and here also it's looking like a zigzag, So A, B, C is a and here it's a flat correction. Sorry, it's a flat correction. After that C is an any, so at least minimum if it breaks this low to the top, minimum I'm expecting this zone to reach 1.8 again. So 38.2 retracement. So let's I think how long it took, 25 minutes. Okay, I will do one thing, the top to bottom analysis in the USD Jpy. So USD Jpy also go for that IDC. Yes, the same thing I already did here, but again I'm going for delete for you, right? I already did now. So this is a deeper wave 1. After that, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So this is looks like second wave, and we can make it this as a A also. Or see, before this wave pattern, we can't come to a conclusion whether this is a A or 1. So I am just saying this could be a, one second, yeah, wave 1 or A. This is the 2 or B. So C contains of 5-way structures: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So if it breaks this low, so this is the end of the trend. If we mark this as A, B, and C, so here we need to mark this as a third, because we already seeing this and viewing this, it's already, we already broken this low. So that is why I didn't mention this as a A, B, and C. But if we are here, if it is not yet broken, till that I am expecting one more way to the possible for, if it is a B, and C. Another A, B, C is also possible. But if it is already did and break the low, that is why I consider this as a fourth wave, and fifth wave is already dead in that ending diagonal pattern. So whether this is an A, the fourth, so A, B, C as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just I will show you that. Now I will delete this, all those things. Okay, I will delete all this, otherwise it will take more time. So now it's a wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the intermediate wave 1 of Roman letter, and this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, so this is the wave 4, and this is the end of wave 5 of 3, and here this could be the wave 4, and after that this is looking like, yeah, it's a ABC as a wave 1, as a wave 1, this is the wave 2, so this could be a wave 3, so this could be a wave 4, and this could be a wave 5. So this whole thing becomes that ending diagonal pattern in this formation, right? Okay. Okay, this is a ABC is a A. Okay, one second. Yeah, this could be a triangle also, guys. This could be a triangle also for the fourth wave, and the fifth wave could be here. 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, and ABC is a 5 wave. So this is the end of this, and we can make it this as a wedge formation of this is a dotted line to identify this is a wedge formation. So this whole thing becomes completed as a 5-way structure to the downside. So now what we are viewing here, so sometimes it looks like one second, I will make it this as a thicker line. This is a 2, again 1 2, so 3 4 5, so again 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So now this is a little bit, see, once again I can make it this as a 1, this is a 2, and this is the intermediate wave 1 of 3, this is the second of 3, this is the third of 3, this is the fourth wave in triangle. Again I make it this as a 5 as a completion of the third. So this is the fourth wave, and again the fifth wave is also split into wave 1, so wave 2, so wave 3, so wave 4, and again wave 5. So this is the whole thing as a wave 1 or A. Because why we are applying this as a A, there is a 5-way structure in the downtrend. So we are in the A, B and C. So A means it could be around 5-way structures. So I took it this as a A. Otherwise sometimes it will, for example I am saying, so now it is in the wave 2, it will come like this. Again it will go to 3, 4 and 5. So the whole thing becomes A also. Otherwise this is the A, this is the B, and C contains a 5-way structure also. So we can't know how the wave is going to form. So whether this is the 1 or A, in this we can make it this alphabetic as a blue color. So 1 or A, and so we completed this whole things. Now we just go for the daily chart. So this is everything, and why I am having a doubt means this could be a wave A, B, C as a A. I will just showing, see, B, it could be anything A, this could be a B, and this whole thing becomes a C, means this is a W, the connecting wave, and X is a triangle, and again Y wave contains of A and B, and again C contains a 5-way structure. So once this is a connecting wave in the double correction part of it, could be again W also. So 1 or A or now W, the double bracket, right? Sorry, covered bracket W. So now it becomes whether it could be 1 or A. So this both are similar, and this is also, if we are targeting to above this level 126, that could be in only 5-way structure or it could be a 3-way structure. So anyway we are looking for to break the high. One thing here where we are now, so we are in that second wave of A, B or X wave. So these are all the connecting wave, right? This is a correction wave. So now this is also looking like a correction, right? Everything is a 3-way structure. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So anything, this is the ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C contains of 1 2 3 4 5, and again it is making, means no need to worry about this, because anyway we are making this as a W, again single bracket W, or that could be a again A. Mind this, this is a one simple corrections got completed, and we are in that X or B wave. So X wave or B wave has a chances for making a triangle. It could make a triangle also. So right, So as per, if it is making a triangle, there is a chances we can look for the possibilities also. So now come to this as a daily. Here also it's a ABC is a again ABC is a B, and C is a 5-way structure, is a 1 2 3 4, and it looks like a 5 is completed here. So whether this is ABC is a ABC is a B, and C contains a 5-way structure, it's already ended, or this is the end of the trend in the 5-way structures. Once again we will look here itself. The high is 118.665, and the 100, it's not yet broken. So this could be again ABC is a ABC is a B is a W. So then we can make it this as a W, X and Y. So this becomes a again a W pattern. You understand this? A, B, C. Again this could be an A, B and C. Here also it's making A, whole thing become B and a C. So that means here it's again it's a W. We can make it this as a little bit bigger. So why we are making this? See, for this impulsive way to the downside, we are the correction. So here also it's looked like a 1 3-way structures got completed, and it has to break this low, right? This is our target. But what kind of, whether this is the end of the trend or it is a connecting wave and again one more wave to the break this high and then again it may fall, or what is the other thing? It could make, if it is an irregular flat formation, what it will do? We are looking for the downtrend. What it will do? It never break this low. It will cross the high and again it may drop. So then this W and this is the X or B. So this A or W or 1 here, it will become like this in the irregular flat formation. But let's wait for this, because the wave is not yet completed here. We are still in this. It's not yet broken this low and it is not yet broken the high. So that means we are still in that correction part. So how we have to do this? Look at this. I love this USD Jpy to explain a lot of peoples, because this only helps me to learn Elliott waves in deeper. This how a lot of corrections is going on here, right? So this is a B and C. So this is all three-way structure. For explaining you, I need to do as A, B, C only, then only you come to know. Otherwise, if it is a W, X, Y means again we need to make a W. How much W you can place? We have to place. See, this is a double bracket. Say this is a bracketed W. This is a single bracket W, and this is without W, without bracket. So still we are in the correction in the part of a three-way structure. And again, what it is doing? It's an impulsive wave, and this is a three-way structure. And again, this is making a three-way structure, and again it did a impulsive wave. Again it did a impulsive wave. So what is meant by this? This ABC is a ABC is a B, and this is an impulsive wave C. So that means still this is a So this is a B. So this is a kind of W here, and this is the X. Here it's a Here it's a and here it's the B and C wave. Five-way structure. So the one A, B, C is got completed. So now this is the Y. So from here it need to break the high. So we can make it this as a X also. So what is the next sorry, 1 second. We can make it this as a X in the blue formation, right? For this W beyond the X, and we need a wave. So we are make it this correction is got completed, and everybody we are looked in the Fibonacci retracement. Sorry, as per this Fibonacci retracement, it's already did nearly 61.8 to 78.6, so this is valid, and we are looking to buy here to make A, B, C to the Y wave. So we are everybody we will buy here at the end of the trend. So we are happy to see this formation, okay, because it's did a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It did the same thing. It's looking like, but even though I'm not so satisfied here in this wave formation what it did here, so what I thought here, something it's looking like ABC only. It is not looking like a 5-way structure as of now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed. Again this is a 3-way structure, again it is making a 3-way structure. So you need to go closely and need to watch very carefully, then only you can come to a conclusion. See, right, this is a A, this is a B and C. So what here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1A, after that 1B, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the C is got completed. Again A, B, C. Again here also it's a B, C. Again A, B and C. What the hell it's doing here? So now we need to conclusion. This is a 5-way structure. After this is making a 3-way structure, means what we are expecting is a B and C. So this B is a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. It's a running triangle, and 1A is already did A, B and C. So at least, okay, anyway we are moving for this W, X, A, B and C. We are expecting the C wave may get extended for the 5-way structure to do this for the Y wave. But what happened here? What we expect, market won't do that. Again it fell. So what is doing here? And it is not yet broken the low. So now again we come to a conclusion, still we are in that correction of something, right? So this is what we did is W, X, Y. So why this is whole thing becomes another W, bigger W? So that means this is the connecting way of bigger correction. So what is meant by that? It's a red. So for references only I'm making little bit different. So this X is not yet completed. Again we are going for connection wave. So that means Y means we need to break this low, but it is not yet broken the low. Again it bounced. What the hell is doing? That is why I keep on watching this, because I did from here, and I booked here itself because I expecting the second wave. But still what I am looking for this to break the high. Then only I come to a conclusion. Only if it breaks the high, only we need to buy the positions for if it isn't extended. What I said in the previous, I think in the Euro USD Jpy USD, expecting again for the higher. Only if it breaks the high, only we need to come to a conclusion. Until that, we are still in that wave formation of correction part. So again this is the connecting wave. So A, B, C is over. So this is the Y wave is also connected, splitted into the another W, and this is the one, it's A, B and C, and another A, B, C. So again it's a B and C. See, all these are WXY corrections. So now I come to a conclusion. So this is a B, C, it's a W, X, A, B, C. So this whole thing becomes a irregular. See, here it's already broken the low, right? This low was already broke. So this is A, B, C is a running flat formation for this X, and this Y is already completed. So this is the Y, and now we are in that bullish, and after this corona drop from here it bounced. It's an impulsive wave. So whether now after this also it didn't break the low, and now it's already broken. It's not yet broken. Yeah, it's not yet broken. So still we are my target is also that 111.75 to break. So what it's doing here now, whether, see, one thing here I need to explain you. So this is the A, right? We can mark this as a A. So this is the end of the X. What we come to a conclusion, just we will do that. It's a X, and it is not yet broken the high. So whether this is the A or intermediate again W means this is the whole thing becomes X, this is a A, so this is the B, one more C, could be a deeper C. This C can go like this, also expanded flat. It could make a one more high. If it breaks this high and not this high, it could again chances for making one more low. So one more low means what is that? It's a Z wave. So W X Y X Z. But if it is not like that, it is keep going like a five-way structures. Say one second. Yeah, from here for example, and it's keep going for the five-way structure to break this. That is the completion of A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting this wave formation now. But one thing, if it is in the 4-hour chart, see this aggressive movement. If this aggressive movement, whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I took it this as a expanded leading diagonal, like that kind of path. Here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. It's looking like expanding leading diagonal wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I took it there like that. But in case if this is a, this whole thing becomes a B, this is the C, means this is becomes W, this will become W. So that means there is a lot of chances. Once again, yeah, there is a lot of chances for making one more A, B, C, and it is not yet broken the 114.7 zone. Still there is a lot of chances for making one more low. But if this is the A, this is the B, means simply it will do the 5-way structures to break this high, and that is the end of the Y wave. So that is the end of the Y wave. Means what is this? Sorry, one second. Yeah, this W, this is a X, so we make it this as a X or B, and this is the end of Y wave without bracket. Yeah, so this W X Y, so this is the W or A, this is the X or B. So now we are going to make a one more lay in the 3-way structure. If it is comes in the 3-way structure, that is again W, X and Y. But if it is in aggressive 5-way structures, that will become A, B and C. But after that, if it is still bearish, again it will make a 3-way structure, and again one more way to the downside to make a Z wave. So W, X, Y, X, Z. I think this is sufficient for you to explain lot of double corrections and triple corrections. This is my top to bottom analysis. I love this kind of wave formation, and I love to make money in this such a complex corrections part. I already bought here and I already booked here, and again I bought here within this zone expecting the fifth wave, and still I'm holding this position and I added the positions according to my analysis. So if you want to enter or exit, you need to zoom in the 4 hours. So what it is doing here, you need to, everything you need to analyze. See, and what I have already did in my USD Jpy. See, everything we need to get ready for that. Even if it is in 5 minutes or 10 minutes also, you need to get ready. So what I did, whether this ABC is a A here or W, so whether this is the end of the X, this ABC is the end, and from here it can shoot. Otherwise, if this is the W and this part is a X, so I am looking for one more downside to break this low, and that is the end of that. See, this is not the end. It could again continue for the Z wave also. I'm not saying, see, because if this is from here, if it is bounced, that is running flat. If it is comes to this zone, and again if it bounced, it's already took the high, so that is an expanded flat, and again one more high is also possible. So what we have to be in that, once the correction is got completed, we need to be in buy side. So once this correction is got completed, I will be in buy side. Later onwards only I will keep adding the positions once only if it breaks the high. So this is my analysis. You hope enjoyed this top to bottom analysis. So once again, yeah. So this is, yeah, I think W. See, I have mentioned that A or W, B or X, 1 or A. So from here it's a 2 or B. We have to wait for that. So it's already 52 minutes. That is why I'm just doing and watching this how many hours, because a lot of people will get bored. If you are learning, it will too interest, but something we need to earn money means without interest, if you are watching this, it will take more time. See, for me it is if it is doing 1 or 2 pairs also, I can go, because it's a art. This is a kind of art. It's a financial art. It's a structure. So let's see on that part D if it is there. Otherwise, this is the end. So I think no need to make another top to bottom analysis, because we already went deep in that UJ and UHF. So if it is anything, if I found interesting subject, I will make a video on a little bit how I correlate with that moving averages with stochastic divergences and support and resistance. If I have a time and if anything interesting, I will make a video. So until this, we will see you in that next video. So have a nice day to everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye.